Hello guys, you're welcome back to IDC Learning Center YouTube channel. For today's video, we'll be looking at paper 2 of 2023 Basic Education Certificate Examination, that's BECE Mathematics. To get started with this paper 2, let's look at the very first question. This question says, factorize mx minus my minus nx plus ny. So, how do you factorize this? I'm going to write it out again. You have mx minus my minus nx plus ny. So the first thing we need to do is to group the terms according to what they have in common. I've done that. For the first bracket, I can remove m. Since there's m here, there's m here. So if I put the m outside the bracket, removing m from mx, I'll be left with x, minus removing m from my, I'll be left with y. For the next bracket, I can remove minus n, then I'll be left with x. If I remove minus n here, I'll be left with minus y. Now from this second bracket, from what I have outside the bracket, I can use it to multiply the terms I have inside the bracket to get back what I have here. For example, minus n times x is minus nx, minus n times minus y will give me plus ny. Since this and these are the same, pick one x minus y. Then you put this m minus n in its own bracket, that is m minus n, then pick one of these, that's all. So the right answer is m minus n bracket x minus y, which is D. Alright, let's take question 2. Question 2 says, let me write it out again, 3a squared plus 7a minus 6. To factorize this, the first thing we need to do is to multiply the first term and the last term. Alright, so we are going to multiply the first term and the last term. So 3a squared minus 16. 3 times minus 16 will give me minus 18a squared. Now, let's look for the factors of minus 18a squared. What are the factors of 18? We have 2 times 9. Okay? 2a, 9a. Alright? Then maybe 1 and 18. 1a, 18a. But we are going to work with 2a and 9a because 9a minus 2a will give me this plus 7a. Then 9a times minus 2a will give me minus 18a squared. So I can use 9a minus 2a to replace this middle term, which is plus 7a. If I do that, I will have 3a squared plus 9a minus 2a minus 6. Okay, the next thing is to group. So I'll group them in twos and I'll group this way. What they have in common in the first bracket is 3a. I can remove 3a. If I remove 3a, I'll be left with just a here. And 3a times a will give me 3a squared. If I remove 3a from 9a, I'll be left with 3. Here, I can remove minus 2. I'll be left with a. Plus, remove minus 2 from minus 6. The minus will go, I'll be left with 3. And minus 2 times a will give me minus 2a. Minus 2 times plus 3 will give me minus 6. Since these terms are the same, I'll pick one, which is just a plus 3. Alright, then I'll put 3a, what you have outside in a bracket, and minus 2 in the bracket. So they form the expression in the new bracket. So my answer is 3a minus 2, bracket a plus 3. which is option C. Okay, let's look at question 3. Let's factorize this. 3 over 5x minus 2x minus 1 over x. So the first thing we need to do is to find the LCM of 5x and x. The LCM will give me 5x. So 5x will now divide with the denominator, multiply with the numerator. 5x divided by 5x is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Alright, so we have the minus. To the next fraction, we will divide with the denominator and multiply with the numerator. So 5x times x, 5x divided by x is 5. Now you use 5 to multiply the numerator, which is 2x minus 1. So this will give me 3. Minus 5 times 2x will give me minus 10x. Minus 5 times minus 1 will give me plus 5. Now I have 5x. So this is equal to, let me rearrange so that the positive sides or whole number can be together. Plus 5 plus 3 will give me 8. Then minus 10x over 5x. So the right option is E. Question 4. We have 3 minus k over 3 equal to 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is to collect like term. So I'll move minus k over 3 to the right so that the minus will go and move 1 to the left. So this is 3. As the 1 crosses the equal to sign, the 1 changes to minus 1 equal to, as the minus k over 3 crosses the equal to sign, the minus will go a change to a positive number, which is just k over 3. So 3 minus 1, 2 equal to k over 3. This is the same thing as 2 over 1. We cross multiply. K times 1 is k. 2 times 3 is 6. So the right answer is option C. Question 5. 2 bracket x minus 1 is greater than 3. This is inequality, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is to break the bracket. Use 2 to multiply each of the term in the bracket. So 2 times x will give me 2x minus 2 times 1 is 2 is greater than 3. Move minus 2 to the right hand side. 2x is greater than, as minus 2 crosses to the right hand side, the negative sign changes to positive. So 2x is greater than 5. To get the value of x, divide both sides by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. 2 here 1, 2 into 5 is 2, remainder 1 over 2. So x is greater than 2, 1 over 2. And the right option is C. Question 6. When 15 is added to 1 over 4 of a number, let that number be x, algebra. So when 15 is added to 1 over 4 of x, alright, the result is 4 times the number. I said let the number be x. So 15 plus 1 of means times 1 times x will give me x over 4 equal to 4 times x, 4x. Okay, so we can collect like terms from here. Move x over 4 to the right. So 15 will give me equal to 4x minus x over 4. Let this be over 1. So we can just look for the LCM of the term at the right hand side. So the LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. So this one, 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 times 4x, 16x. Minus 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 times x is x. So 15 equal to 16x minus x will give me 15x over 4. Let this be over 1. Then you cross multiply. So 15x times 1 will give me 15x. Alright? So 15 times 4 will give me 60 here. Then divide both sides by 15. Divide this side by 15. divide this side by 15. Alright, so dividing through 15 year 1, 15 year 1. Okay, 15 year 1, 15 into 60 is 4. So x is equal to 4. That's for question 6. Question 7 says, find the value of p if 2p is equal to 15. Minus p, collect like terms, move minus p to the left hand side. It will give me 2p. As minus p crosses the equal to sign, it changes to plus p equal to 15. So 3p is equal to 15. Divide both sides by 3. 3 year 1, 3 year 1. 3 year 1, 3 year 5. So p is simply 5, which is D. Question 8. Solve the simultaneous equation. 2x plus y is equal to 4. I'll call this equation 1. X plus y is equal to 2. I'll call this equation 2. So you can start from either equation 1 or equation 2. But let me start from equation 1 since the two variables are standing alone. So I'll make x the subject of the formula. I'll move plus y to the right. So using substitution method, x will give me 2. Plus y goes to the right will give me minus y. So let this be equation 3. Since I started from equation 2, I'll go to equation 1. Where you have the value of x, you replace it with 2 minus y. So that from equation 1, you have 2 bracket x will now be 2 minus y, close bracket, plus y equal to 4. I'm sure this is clear. So break the bracket, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times minus y is minus 2y, plus y equal to 4. So 4 minus 2y plus y will give me minus y equal to 4. Collect like terms, move minus y here, bring 4 here. So minus 4, bring 4 to the left will give you minus 4 equal to, move minus y to the right, the minus will go, it will be y. Therefore, y will simply be 4 minus 4, 0. Now I know the value of y. In equation 3, x is equal to 2 minus y. We said y is 0, so x will be 2 minus 0. X will be 2. So x is 2 and y is 0. So my answer is 2 and 0. Okay, question 9. This question says, if x is equal to 24y over PR, now make y the subject of the formula. To do this, we need to try and make y stand out, stand alone. So I'll start by cross multiplying. 24y times 1 will give me 24y. Then x times PR will give me xpr. My target is y. So I'll divide both sides by 24. Divide this side by 24. 24 cancels 24. So y is simply xpr over 24, which is option B. Question 10. Solve the equation. X plus 1 divided by 5x minus 1 equal to 1 over x. So the first step is to cross multiply. So that 6 multiply x plus 1 you have 6 bracket x plus 1. That means 6 is multiplying this numerator. 1 times equal to 1 times 5x plus 1. Whatever you use to multiply 1 will give you back that expression. So I'll get back 5x plus 1. So 6 times x is 6x. 6 times plus 1 is 6. Equal to 5x minus 1. Collect like terms, move 5x to the left hand side. It will give me 6x minus 5x equal to minus 1. Move plus 6 to the right hand side, changes to minus 6. So that's 6x minus. Alright, so from here, 6x minus 5x will give me x. Minus 1 minus 6 will give me minus 7. So the right answer is option A. Okay, question 11. we have two brackets. The first is x plus 2 bracket 2x minus 1. So use the term in the first bracket to break the second bracket by multiplying each term in the second bracket. So x times 2x will give me 2x squared. Then x times minus 1 will give me minus 1x or minus x. Alright? So, or minus 1x, the same thing. 2 times 2x will give me plus 4x. Then 2 times minus 1 will give me minus 2. Now, 2x squared minus x plus 4x will give me plus 3x minus 2. So the right answer is 2x squared plus 3x minus 2a. Question 12. Use the table below to answer questions 12 and 13 for the relations. This question says y. The relation is that y is equal to 2x plus 5. Now find the value of a. What is a when x is minus 3? So solve for y there. Y equals to 2. X is minus 3. Replace the x with minus 3 plus 5. So if you solve this, it will give you the value of a. Why? Because a is in the y row. So y equals to 2 times minus 3 is minus 6 plus 5. Y equals to minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. So a is minus 1, which is b. Question 13. Find the value of b times c plus d. Okay. We need to find the value of b, value of c, value of d before we can carry out this operation. So to get b, since y is 2x plus 5, what is b? b is minus 1. That's the value of x for b. So y will give me value of x is minus 1 plus 5. So y equal to 2 times minus 1 minus 2 plus 5. It's same thing as saying 5 minus 2, which is 3. So b is 3. Let's solve for c. For c, y equal to 2 bracket. What's the value of x? X is 1 for c. 1 plus 5. So y will give me 2 times 1, 2 plus 5, 7. C is 7. What's next? Let's solve for d. When y is 2x plus 5, solving for d, y will give me 2 bracket. D, on top there you have 3. So 3 plus 5. So y will be 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So this is the value of d. Take note. So now b is 3 from what we've gotten, times c is 7 plus d is 11. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 plus 11 will give me 32. Alright, so my right answer is E. If you are stuck anywhere, you can gently go back and ensure you follow through all these steps. Question 14. The figure below represents which of the following inequalities? From what we have here, we can say, is x less than minus 2? No, x is not less than minus 2. Is x greater than 2? Well, okay, B, is x less than or equal to minus 2? X is not less than minus 2. Is x greater than 2? Yes, x is greater than 2. Is x greater than 3? No, x is not greater than 3. Is x greater than or equal to 2? Yes, this satisfies the expression because x is greater than or equal to 2. Question 15. So this question says, 2/3 of a certain number is greater than 6. Find the range of values of the number. If the number is x, the question says 2/3, which is 2/3 of x, is greater than 6. So, let's solve for x. What do? let this be over 1, you cross multiply. 2x times 1 will give me 2x is greater than 3 times 6 is 18. Divide both sides by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. 2 here 1, 2 into 18, 9. So x is greater than 9, which is B. Alright, now let's go to question 16. Question 16 says, the sum of two numbers is 9. So let the two numbers be x and y, since it wasn't given. So x plus y equal to 9. Their difference is 3. X minus y equal to 3. Find the numbers. Let this be equation 1. Let this be equation 2. From equation 1, make x the subject of the formula. Move plus y to the right hand side. So you have 9 minus y. Okay? Now, since I made the x the subject of the formula in equation 1, I'll go to equation 2 where I have x. I'll replace it with 9 minus y. So I'll have 9 minus y equal to 3. So that you have 9 minus 2y equal to 3. Collect like terms, move minus 2y to the right, bring 3 to the left. You have 9 minus 3 equal to 2y. Okay? So, 2y is 9 minus 3, which is 6. Divide both sides by 2. 2 cancels 2. 2 here 1, 2 into 6 is 3. So the value of y is 3. Now I know the value of y. I can come back to equation 3, which is this equation that says x is 9 minus y and get the value of x. So the value of x is simply 9 minus y, which is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. So x is 6, y is 3. My answer is D, 6 and 3. Question 17. Solve the simultaneous equations. You have 3x plus 2y equal to 6. Let this be equation 1. Then we have 2x plus y equal to 4. Let this be equation 2. If you look at these equations, in equation 2, the variable y stands alone, isn't it? So I'm going to make y the subject of the formula from equation 2. So I'll move 2x to the right. So y will give me 4. Move 2x to the right, I will have 2x, and this will form equation 3. I'll now go to equation 1, where I have y. I'll replace it with 4 minus 2x. So from equation 1, 3x plus 2, where you have y, replace it with 4 minus 2x equal to 6. 3x plus 2 times 4 is 8. Break the bracket. 2 times minus 2x will give you minus 4x equal to 6. So this will give me, collect like terms, 3x minus 4x equal to, move plus 8 to the right hand side. It will give me 6 minus 8. 3x minus 4x will give me minus x equal to 6 minus 8 minus 2. Multiply through by minus, my answer will be x equal to 2. I know the value of x now. So y from equation 3 is 4 minus 2x. Where you have x, replace it with 2. This will give me y equal to 4 minus 2 times 2. Y equals to 4 minus 2 times 2, 4. Y equals to 0. So my answer is 2 and 0, which is E. Alright, for question 18, simplify what we have here. X squared minus 1 close bracket minus x plus 2 close bracket square. So, x squared minus 1. Now, expand this. Minus, let me break this into 2. X plus 2 bracket square is same thing as x plus 2 bracket s plus 2. Alright, sorry about that. The next step now, we are going to expand this. So we use this first x to multiply this x. It will give me x squared. Then the same x to multiply 2 plus 2x. Then we use 2 to multiply x, that's plus 2x. Then we use 2 to multiply 2, that's plus 4. Right? So we have x squared. 2x plus 2x will give me 4x plus 4. All this is for this. So this will now give me, bring it back here. Let me clean off this line. Okay. So let me put this in a box. So what I have here, put it here. So that's x squared plus 4x plus 4. That's what I got from expanding this. So x squared minus 1 in the first bracket, minus times x squared will give me minus x squared, minus times plus 4x will give me minus 4x, minus times plus 4 will give me minus 4. Rearrange to collect like terms. You have x squared minus x squared minus 4x minus 4 and minus 1. X squared minus x squared will give me 0. Right? So we now have minus 4x. Minus 4 minus 1 will give me minus 5. So, what can I put outside the bracket? What they have in common is minus. So if I remove minus, I will have 4x here. So that minus times 4x is minus 4x. If I remove minus here, the 5 will be positive. So that minus times plus 5 will give me minus 5. A lot of people may come and pick A, but that would be wrong. The right answer is D, which is minus bracket 4x plus 5. Take note of that. So question 19. Simplify 72 PQR. Divide, I'm going to use this division symbol, minus 9Q. So here the Q cancels the Q. 9 here 1, 9 into 72, 8. So we'll be left with 8R over minus 1. 8R divided by minus 1 will give me minus 8R. Sorry, 8PR. I didn't cancel the P. 8PR. So it will be minus 8PR, which is C. Alright, question 20. This question says, if 3 is divided by the sum of x and y, so the sum of x and y is x plus y, divide by 3. The result is equal to 3 divided by 5. Find the value of x, just cross multiply. 5 times x plus 1 will give me 5 bracket x plus 1. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times x is 5x plus 5 times 1, 5. Equal to 9. Collect like terms, move plus 5 to the right hand side. You have 5x equal to 9 minus 5. So 5, hold on. Okay, so 5x equal to 4. Sorry, I think I actually made a mistake here. So I'm going to take this again. Sorry about that. I think I did it the wrong way. So let's take the question again. If 3, sorry, I'm supposed to start this way. The question actually said if 3 is divided by the sum of x and y. So the sum of x and y should be the denominator. Then the result is equal to 3. Now divide by 5. This is the right way. Cross multiply x plus 1 times 3. You give me 3 bracket x plus 1 equal to 3 times 5 will give me 15. So 3x times x will give me 3x plus 3 times 1 is 3 equal to 15. Collect like terms. 3x move plus 3 to the right hand to give me 15 minus 3. 3x will give me 15 minus 3 is 12. Here we have 3x equal to 12. Divide both sides by 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 1, 3 here 1, 3 into 12, 4. So the value of x is simply 4. Question 21. Solve the equation x plus 2 over 3 plus 2x minus 5 equal to 5. So let's start by collecting like terms. Move minus 5 here. We'll have x plus 2 over 3 plus 2x equal to 5 plus 5. Let this be over 1. The LCM is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times this numerator will give me x plus 2 plus 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times 2x is 6x equal to 5 plus 5, 10. Let this be over 1. Cross multiply. So we have, okay, x plus 2 plus 6x equal to 10 times 3, 30. 6x plus x will give me 7x plus 2 equal to 30. Move 2 to the right hand side to give me 7x equal to 30 minus 2. 7x will give me 30 minus 2, 28. Divide both sides by 7. Divide this side by 7. Divide this side by 7. 7 here 1. 7 here 1. 7 here 1. 7 into 20. It is 4. So x is 4. So the right option is A. Question 22. Ade's age is 56 years more than his son. So if Ade's son is x years, then Ade will be 56 more than this, x plus 56. Now, if the son's age is w years, find the value of w. So instead of using x, let me just use w. So the son is w, Ade is w plus x, alright? W plus 56. Find the value of w when the sum of their ages is 76. W, the son's age. Oh, hold on. Yes, w, the son's age, plus Ade's age, which is w, the son's age plus 56, equal to 76. W plus w. Alright, w plus w will give me 2w plus 56 equal to 76. Collect like terms. 2w will give me 76. Bring 56 here minus 56. 2w, 76 minus 56 is 20. Alright, so since 2w is 20, to get the value of w, divide both sides by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. 2 here 1, 2 into 20, 10. So w is 10, which is E. Question 23. If x is equal to 2, y equal to 6, and z equal to 4, evaluate. 4, where you have y, replace it with 6. Plus 2, where you have z, replace it with 4. Divide by x, where you have x, replaced by 2. Plus y, where you have y, replaced by 6. So from the numerator, 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2 times 4 is 8. Denominator 2 plus 6 is 8. 24 plus 8 is 32. Divide by 8, which will give me 4, which is B. Number 24, which is second to the last question. 2a minus 3, 1 plus a. Expand, so just my 2a times 1 will give me 2a. 2a times a will give me plus 2a squared. Minus 3 times 1 will give me minus 3. Minus 3 times plus a will give me minus 3a. Rearrange this. You have 2a squared plus 2a minus 3a minus 3. So 2a squared Plus 2a minus 3a. 3a will give me minus a minus 3. This is the answer. 2a squared minus a minus 3 is b. Alright, the last question for today. Solve the equation 1 over p plus 2 equal to a 3p plus 1. Just cross multiply. 3p plus 1 times 1 will give you back 3p plus 1. Then 8 times this equal to 8 bracket p plus 2. So 3p plus 1 will give me 8 times p, 8p plus 2 times 8, 16. Collect like terms. So bring 8p here. Can also go the other way. You have 3p minus 8p equal to 16. Move plus 1 to the right, minus 1. This will give us minus 5p. If you subtract the left hand side, equal to 16 minus 1, 15. To get p, divide both sides by minus 5. So that minus 5 cancels minus 5. Minus 5 into 15 is 3. Minus 3, since nothing cancels the minus. The answer is B, which is minus 3. Thank you for staying with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.